Hello, Health Journey family. Welcome back to the channel where we explore natural, effective ways to improve your health and wellness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's incredibly popular, yet often confusing: the best oil for your skin. Whether you're looking to combat dryness, reduce acne, or simply give your skin a radiant glow, choosing the right oil can make a world of difference. But with so many options out there, coconut oil, jojoba oil, rosehip oil, and more, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. In this video, I'll break down the most effective oils for different skin types, share some science-backed benefits, and help you find the perfect oil for your skin. Stay tuned to the end, because we've got a special skincare tip you don't want to miss. Let's get started. Coconut oil, the moisturizing marvel. Let's begin with an all-time favorite, coconut oil. Coconut oil is often hailed as the ultimate skin moisturizer. It's rich in medium-chain fatty acids like lauric acid, which are great for locking in moisture. If you have dry or sensitive skin, this oil can be a game changer. According to a study published in the Journal of Dermatology, coconut oil can significantly improve skin hydration, making it a fantastic option for anyone dealing with flakiness or rough patches. But wait, there's more. Coconut oil also has antibacterial properties. It can help combat minor skin infections or irritations, making it an all-around skincare hero. Imagine a mini barrier on your skin, locking out bacteria while keeping the moisture in. However, a quick note of caution. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, coconut oil might be too heavy and can clog pores. So while it's a lifesaver for dry skin, it's not for everyone. Do you use coconut oil in your skincare routine? Share your experiences in the comments below. Jojoba oil, the balancing act. Next up is jojoba oil, often called the miracle oil, because it closely resembles the natural oils produced by your skin, known as sebum. This oil is a great choice for people with oily or acne-prone skin. Why? Because jojoba oil can help regulate your skin's oil production. It tricks your skin into thinking it has enough oil, so it doesn't go into overdrive and produce more. This can be a game changer for anyone dealing with breakouts. According to dermatologists, jojoba oil is non-comedogenic, meaning it won't clog your pores. It's also packed with vitamin E, which helps repair skin damage and provides powerful antioxidant protection. So, if you're dealing with inflammation or acne scars, jojoba oil can be an excellent option. Have you ever tried jojoba oil for your skin? Let me know how it worked for you in the comments. Rosehip oil, the anti-aging powerhouse. Let's talk about one of the best-kept secrets in the skincare world: rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, both of which are known for their anti-aging benefits. If you're looking to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, rosehip oil might just be your new best friend. It boosts collagen production, which helps keep your skin firm and youthful. In a study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology, participants who used rosehip oil saw a significant reduction in the appearance of scars and wrinkles. The oil is also known to even out skin tone and improve the appearance of dark spots, so if you have hyperpigmentation or sun damage, rosehip oil can do wonders. Interested in using rosehip oil? Drop a comment below and let me know if you've noticed any changes in your skin. Argan oil, the nutrient-rich all-rounder. Now, let's shine the spotlight on argan oil, often referred to as liquid gold. Argan oil is packed with essential fatty acids and vitamin E, which makes it incredibly nourishing for the skin. What's amazing about argan oil is that it's suitable for almost all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin, Argan oil can work wonders in balancing your skin's moisture levels. Not only is it hydrating, but it's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties, which can help with conditions like eczema or rosacea. In fact, argan oil has been used for centuries by Moroccan women to protect their skin from the harsh desert environment. For those of you who love simplicity in skincare, this oil can be a one-stop solution. Use it to moisturize, reduce inflammation, and even improve skin elasticity. Have you used argan oil before? What benefits have you seen? Let's chat about it in the comments. Tea tree oil, the acne fighter. Finally, we have the legendary tea tree oil, a favorite for anyone battling acne. Tea tree oil is known for its potent antimicrobial properties. It's a natural way to combat acne-causing bacteria without the harsh side effects of traditional acne treatments. A study in the Medical Journal of Australia showed that tea tree oil can be just as effective as benzoyl peroxide, a common acne treatment, but with fewer side effects like redness and peeling. However, tea tree oil is quite strong, so it's essential to dilute it with a carrier oil like jojoba or almond oil to avoid irritation. A couple of drops can go a long way in keeping those pesky breakouts at bay. Acne sufferers, have you tried tea tree oil? How has it worked for you? Let's compare notes in the comments. So there you have it, the best oils for your skin, based on your unique needs. Whether you're looking to deeply moisturize, balance oil production, fight signs of aging, or tackle acne, there's an oil out there for you. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take a bit of experimentation to find the perfect oil for you. Start slow and see how your skin reacts. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Health Journey, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. And as always, drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences and answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Sparkle.